In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we go from St. James to Africa, Israel, Japan, just to name a few. Jamaican Demmar Williams is making strides in the U.S. military. Romardo Lyons has his story.
Sir, yes, sir!
Exactly how Demmar Williams answered the call. Attitude, militant. Career strides, impressive. From running around as a boy in Norwood St. James to running the show as a Marine security guard at the U.S. Embassy in Eswatini in Southern Africa at 25 years old.
I really feel accomplished, not a lot of people can say they've been to this many places or done these things in their life or just accomplished a lot of things. It's really great, honestly. Back then, I wouldn't picture myself even joining the military, but here I am today.
He's now based in Japan. He joined the US military in 2017, a year after emigrating. He recalled the first boot camp, 3 days, no sleep. But shortly after, endurance wasn't the only thing that came his way. Elevation came as well. He was promoted to the rank of sergeant.
It's literally like the middle line between lower enlisted and senior enlisted. So it's a halfway mark between all the ranks, and it's one of the ranks that's held really highly by everybody.
But some people in Jamaica think it's a death wish, a laughing point for Mr. Williams.
Everybody within the military, they call him soldier. That's not the case, you see me? So, oh yeah, go war. That's a bro, which war I go on? No war now, go on, brother.
But after they see sessions like this, or this, that opinion isn't likely to change. Mr. Williams grew up with his grandmother in Norwood. His mother would have had to find thousands of dollars for college. That's how the military became his target.
I decided I would join the military and have them pay for my degree. So I joined the military with hopes of doing that instead of putting a burden on my mom.
Before that, he started Calabar High School in 2009 and had to move to the corporate area to live with his father. Studying took discipline, but the military requires another kind.
If one person in the platoon messes up, then all the platoon is paying for it. So you learn to just be a good dude, follow instructions properly.
He's been in the military 8 years now, an experience he wouldn't trade for the world.
Good boot camp for 2 months, 3 months, whatever the case is, with a dude you've never met in your whole life, and that's essentially your best friend. It's really a great experience. You meet a lot of great people, you go to cool places, you do cool things. So it's absolutely amazing.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romardo Lyons.